Hi, I am Laurel. Welcome to SQI College of ICT, where the future of technology is being shaped today. At SQI, we are not just teaching technology, we are crafting the innovators and problem solvers of tomorrow. Our cutting-edge curriculum blends hands-on coding with real-world projects, ensuring our students gain the skills needed to thrive in today's digital landscape. Are you passionate about technology? Are you ready to lead Nigeria's digital revolution? SQI College of ICT is where your journey begins. Join a community dedicated to transforming the future of ICT in Africa. Visit edu.sqi.ng to learn more about the virtual campus, or visit any of the physical campuses across the nation. We have our alumni network all over the world, making significant contributions in top tech industries like Google, Microsoft, Deutsche Bank, Moniepoint, Interswitch, International Brewery, MTN Nigeria, and many more. Study at SQI. Succeed anywhere.